Good morning, students. This is Harsnath Shukla, and today I am going to teach in class 10th, third chapter, pair of linear equation, and the topic is cross multiplication method to solve a pair of linear equation in two variables. As you know, we already discussed before some topics, that is algebraic method of solution of pair of linear equation, substitution method, elimination method we already taught. So today's topic is cross multiplication method. In this method we are just going to general pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and then simply this process be, see, x upon, you just close the a1 part, this part you have to close, then simply you have the coefficient of y and constant of b1 c1 b2 c2. So b1 c2 and b2 c1. So x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1. In next one, y upon, you just close this one, and y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1, and then just close this c1 c2 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So you will get this result, and afterward you equate x upon this is equal to 1 upon this, then the value of x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Similarly, y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. You see from here the result, this the value of x and the value of y. So very simple. So please try to solve the questions. I am just going to take an example for that. Suppose we have a question this, and in this question the pair of linear equation is this one. So coefficient of x, y and constant term 2, 3, minus 46, 3, 5 and minus 74. So simply a1 b1 c1 b2 c2. See, b1 c1 b2 c2 c1 a1 c2 a2 a1 b1 a2 b2. So simply x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1, 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Here you see this thing, x upon y upon z upon. So simply you will get the value of x, y and z. In this topic only the conditions are also that when pair of linear equations have one solution, when many solution, and when infinitely many solution. So you see, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then there are many solution. That means so many points are intersect. But if a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2, then there is unique solution, and if a1 upon e2 is equal to b1 upon b2 does not equal to c1 upon c2, then there is no solution. So see this question, this is very important one. For which value of p does the pair of linear equation given below has unique solution? So 4x plus py plus 8, 2x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. We compare it by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. And then you will get a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to p, c1 is equal to 8, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 2, c2 is equal to 2. Then find a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2. If a1 upon a2 you see 4 by 2 and b1 upon b2 is equal to p by 2. But here for unique solution, so a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2. So 4 by 2 does not equal to p by 2. And if you solve it, you will get p does not equal to 4. Therefore, for all values except 4, the pair of linear equation have unique solution. Similarly, for what value of k there will be the following pair of linear equation have infinitely many solutions. The same thing again, equate the coefficient a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 and find a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. And for infinitely many solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So you see k upon 12 is equal to 3 by k is equal to k minus 3 by k. So you just take this one, then k square is equal to 36, so k is equal to plus minus 6. Okay, so this is one solution, one value of k, and if 3 by k is equal to k minus 3 upon k, then k is equal to 0 or 6. The common value is k is equal to 6. So for k is equal to 6, the given pair of linear equation has many solutions. So thank you for today, and this is the last topic of this chapter. So in next lecture we shall discuss some more questions based on this particular topic and then wind up the chapter. Thank you.